We can use our class pad to find this trend line that we are trying to find, as shown below here, for the predicted number of cars sold versus the time, which are in quarters. And if you notice here on the graph, we are numbering each quarter up to 16 from 1996 to 1999. So in other words, 4 quarters per year will give us the 16 required. Now we can, if we go back to our table where we worked out these seasonalized values for the number of cars sold, we can input these data into the class pad. So if we go to statistics, and I have already put the data in, you notice that, as you saw in the graph, or the solution of the trend line, I have entered in list 1 from 1 to 16, which represents all the quarters from 1996 to 1999, and the associated number of cars sold. So if I simply now do a calc and linear regression, and I don't need to change anything there, click OK, and there are my values that I can use to work out my trend line. So if I go back to the actual equation that it is, we see that y, which equals the number of cars sold, equal to AX, and A is 7.1 rounded off to 1 decimal point, times the quarter number, which is our X, plus B, which is 217.3 rounded off to 1 decimal point. And now if I click OK, you will see that I get my trend line. And if I just resize that, and you can see that it's similar to the solution drawn on the page there. What you can also do is, if your data or your points are away from the x-axis, what you can do, the zoom in feature, I think this one here is quite handy, because I can just select the data that I'm using, and it just gives you a good zoom of the data and a look at the trend line. Okay, thank you.